Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing cassava and plantain fufu here. So I got a couple of plantains here and I have a whole cassava here. So I'm going to peel the plantain and then put it into the blender and blend the cassava and the plantain and then put it on the stove, guys. So today we're not eating powder fufu today, so we're gonna be using straight up fresh from the blender to the to the stove. Okay guys, so what you need to do is just to chop this up like so. Ouch. If you don't want so much plantain, you don't have to. If you want more cassava, you can put more cassava and more plantain. It all depends on your taste, okay? So we're going to put the plantains so now we're gonna take half of this cassava some of this cassava, they get rotten real quick, so now all you have to do, cut them up, okay, and then put it into the blender. I'm gonna put water. So now we are just going to cook this fufu all the way through and just eat it with your soup of choice, guys. That's all it is. So it starts to form like fufu-like. I can just feel it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's getting more thicker than what it was. I have ogusi soup with sawa that I wanted to eat this fufu with, so I decided to do this. Look at that, yeah, we just made cassava and plantain fufu, just like that. If you think it's a little bit thicker, just add a little bit of water and it will loosen it up. And basically that's it. Make sure you taste your fufu as well, you know, when you're cooking, to make sure it's all the way cooked. And even though you will tell when it's done because the color will change to a different color. So okay guys, so I will show you the final look once it's all done here. Okay, okay you guys, so the fufu is done. So now I'm just going to take it off the stove and just put it onto my pot, my plate. So you guys, this is my fufu. I'm not going to boil it again. I'm just gonna do it like this and let it cool off like that and eat it with my ogusi. Some people say igusi, ogusi, and sawa. Okay guys, so this is the plantain and cassava fufu. What do you guys think? Looks good, don't it? So you guys, this is it right here. This is it right here, plantain and cassava fufu, you guys. So let me show you guys my ogusi and salsa. That's what I'm coming to eat with this one. Okay, guys. So we are done with this tutorial, y'all. So let me know what you think about it. All right, guys. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. All right. Bye-bye.